Tunchum zirna huanga chuan science thiamna hmanga zirlai te inti siakna State Level Children Science Congress voisom thum pathumna kan thlir hodona State Level Children Science Congress hi November ni somni pasari achangani somni pariat sangni somni panga chungkhan School Education Directorate Conference Hall aizola nei ania thupuya Science for Sustainable Development and Community Well-being ti chu man ani State Level Children Science Congress nei ma hian district tina Science Congress nei masak vek ania Aizol district a project somnga pahni entir ania Lunglei district a no pang somni antela Siaha district a school paruka project paruk an entira Champhai district a school sompali atangin project sompanga an entira Kolasib district a school sompathum atangin project sompanga an phauchwaka Serthip district a school somachangin project sompakhat an entira Longtlai district a project panga an entira ni Mamit district a school sompakhat achangin project sompathum an entira Saitwal district a school pariat achangin project sompahni an entira Khozol district a project sompariat an entira Nathial district a project pali an entirbok District tina no pangten project an belkhom chu za somnga pali atlingani Children Science Congress a hian in elna hi lom ni in kalpui ani a junior category a middle school zirlai te chu anin ti siaka Paul Sari le Paul Riat zirlai te an nitlang puya senior category a high school le higher secondary school zirlai te anin ti siak vele thunga Paul Som le Paul Som pakhat zirlai te an nihlom ani zirlai te hian an zirtir tu te kai shwaina angin an bulvela thil thleng chi sang sang te chik takin an zira chu mai ba ka mishing te tan hlok tur le changkai tur te po research te ti in an zira chuta an thil mu chwa chu he science thiamna hmanga inti siak na a hian aron pho lang ta chin ani Science Congress hi zirlai te nan hlok pui em ani Shipui len ma phei khachuan state level nei zo a hian National Children Science Congress le Indian Science Congress te nei le chinani a chunga te chuan state level a ti chate an kal khoma hlok takin hun an mang china kumsang ni somni panga po khan National Children Science Congress hi nei ani a kumina ero chuan nei ani don lo thung ani Children Science Congress hi district level le state level a samagra shiksha le Science Teachers Association Mizoram STEM ten an buat sai chinani tunchuma hian state level a zirlai te inti siak na hi abikimin kantar langvek mandon lova toikim deuh si in kan clear hodon ani
Vidyanjali 2.0 Sikul Kaitan Vidyanjali hi government le government aided school ta na kan wan swat heina kongrem chang sarkari na buat saini Vidyanjali kaltlang hian mi in phal le in pe mi mal le pol ten sikul ma sona turti sakle pek thei dan chini om pakhat na sikul ta na tha tho emo thiam na emo va pek pahni na sikul ta na bungra an mamo pek Vidyanjali kaltlanga pek theila om chun su sum fai ni Vidyanjali hi midangte ta na kan wan swat heina kongrem chang sarkari na buat saini Mizoram a hian Vidyanjali 2.0 ti hlo tling tur hian samagra shiksha Mizoram churuat ani Vidyanjali na atumber chu government le government aided school te mari in phalna ngeya khotlang mimal le pol ten an mamo na zona kan chanpui hi ani in thangram democracy a chuan sarkar hi mi pui siam ani a sarkar nei tu chu mi pui kan ni chuwang chuan sarkar school nei tu po mi pui kan ni Vidyanjali hi Sanskrit trong vidya sha na digle anjali kutpani manga thil pek ti achangala kani thili ani na dik tak kan shat hian kan ngai dan le thil tia hong ani fochin entinan kuddo chu khongai awangin cheng som emo somni pek mai theini a akuddo chanjong jong ne na shat nuwa chuan cheng zanga emo sang kha thleng po in pek kan phal the Vidyanjali kaltlang hian mi in phal le in pe ten mimal ang le polangin sikul ma so na turti sakle pek thei dan chin hi a om pakhat na sikul ta na tha tho emo thiam na emo va pek zirti na pek building repair sak sikul ta na natlan le thil dangte pahni na sikul ta na bungra an mamo pek bungra engchi po sikul mamo tur pe ka theya entirnan filter computer stationery le thil dangte Vidyanjali kaltlanga pek theilo om chun chu sum fai ani volunteer ni du tan Vidyanjali portal vidyanjali.education.government.in a mani in zialu theni a mani ati thiam lo tan samagra.mizoram.government.in website le Vidyanjali 2.0 YouTube channel a tutorial en theni itule fa ten thiam na chortlak zo kan nei theinan ithiam na le thil nei mangin Vidyanjali a hian lo tel vero le
My name is Sila Shoitluang class 10 and my partner name is Joel Laremrota class 10. We are from HT High School, Kolsip, Mizoram. Today, I will present our project in this Children's Science Congress 2025. Focal theme: Science for Sustainable Development and Community Well-being. We have selected under the sub-theme number 4, Health, Society and Mental Well-being. The title of our project is Study on the Incidence of Tuberculosis in Cultive Society, Health and Lifestyle Factors. Introduction. Tuberculosis or TB is a major public health concern worldwide. It is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, primarily affecting the lungs but also capable of infecting other organs. TB is often called a social disease because its spread is closely linked with poverty, overcrowding, malnutrition, and lifestyle habits. Over the years, Mizoram has experienced a high burden of tuberculosis cases. Cultive district located in northern Mizoram shows fluctuating TB trends, which cannot be explained by medical reasons alone. Social and lifestyle factors also play an important role in transmission. Future scope. Number 1. Conduct further research to confirm findings, explore causal links and investigate unexpected results, such as the low TB risk amongst diabetics. Number 2. Create awareness about healthier behaviors and TB transmission to lower TB risks in the community. Number 3. Improve living conditions, nutrition and access to healthcare for disadvantaged groups, including AAY and BPL households. 4. The last one. TB is not only a medical issue, but also a social challenge in Cultive. Tackling it requires addressing both individuals' habits and community environments.
My name is Janet Armsangi and he is my teammate Lalchan Swa. We're studying class 9 and we're from Government Achievement High School, Lunglei. Title of our project is An Assessment of Artificial Intelligence AI Usage in Education among Secondary Students in Lunglei Town, under the sub-theme Science, Technology and Innovation. Artificial intelligence AI is rapidly changing the way students learn and use technology. These projects aims to find out how secondary school students in Lunglei Town are using AI for their studies. The study explores students' habits and attitudes towards AI and tries to understand how AI affects their learning habits and academic performance. Through this research, the projects hope to show both the benefits and the challenges of using AI in students' daily academic life. Results. Point number 1. Most students, 96%, are aware of AI tools. Second point. Chatbots like ChatGPT are the most commonly where students use AI tools. Third point. AI is mostly used on an occasional basis. Fourth point. The biggest benefits of AI, according to students, is that it saves time. Fifth point. English, mathematics, and science are the main subject where AI is used, especially for understanding the concept and improving their language skills. Sixth point. Students mainly use AI to simplify hard topics, get ideas for their projects and assignment, and checking for their grammar. 7 point. 66% of students reported positive impact on their academic performance. 8 point. More than half of the students view submitting AI-generated work as plagiarism. However, 42% of students are still unsure about AI-generated is ethical or right. 9 point. The main concerns among students is over-dependence, with 88% feeling that relying too much on, and it could be a problem. And the last point is the majority prefer AI is strictly to be regulated or used with teacher approval, highlighting the importance of controlled usage. We concluded artificial intelligence is becoming an important part of education among secondary students in Lunglei. Most students are aware of AI and use it tasks for mainly understanding difficult topics, improving their language skills, and completing academic tasks faster. AI has helped many students save time and improving their comprehension, especially in subjects like English, mathematics, and science. However, the findings also reveal serious concerns about the risks of overdependence. A large number of students worry that relying too much on AI may weaken their learning and self-thinking abilities. There are also serious concerns about cheating and academic dishonesty, which could affect students' honesty and originality. Overall, AI has a positive impact when used carefully and responsibly. Students themselves believe that AI should not be used freely without rules. Instead, it should be guided by teachers and regulated by school policies. If balanced properly, AI can become a powerful learning aids that support students while still encouraging independent thinking and creativity. Thank you.
My name is Gladys Vanel Mangai, and this is my teammate, Leming Louis. And today we will be presenting our research on biosecurity practiced by pig farmers in Aizawl and how it relates to the spread of African swine fever or ASF. African swine fever is a highly contagious and fatal disease that has no cure or vaccine that has been used in India yet. So biosecurity is the most effective method that can be taken to reduce the transmission of the disease. Biosecurity basically means the implementation of the preventive measures that can reduce the risk of transmission of a deadly disease. The main purpose of our study is to identify farmers' awareness level of ASF transmission, to observe actual biosecurity measures they follow, and to compare our findings with existing literature.
In conclusion, farmers are aware of ASF, but misconceptions, especially about airborne transmission, reduce their biosecurity commitment. Practices like clothing change, poor clothing change, poor disinfection, and lack of access control, and closely spaced pig pens increases the risk of transmission. Our findings match most literature, but also provide new insights specific to our region. Strengthening farmer awareness and correcting misunderstandings can significantly reduce ASF outbreaks and protect farmers' livelihoods and animals. Thank you.
India min pawara mo zat hi kumtel in sang zela khovel puma electricity siam chuak number pathumna ni maila power in delo na hi kan tok fawani kumsang ni somni kha gara min pawara mo zat tur chu 0.4% in kan phalowa chu chuan khopuilian delhi le mumbai ate a khopum karen thimna voi tam tak athlena ni ju sang ni somni pali kha kum som pali liam ta chunga kan ramin pawara in delo na thlenna satber tum ni in kum sang ni somni panga le anulama phei chuan in delo le zol theidin huna kan ding ani kumten in india ram pawar ma moza thi 6% in apung zela kum sang ni somli panga phei chuan 12% a pung tura ngai ani rural urban area da chuan heng karen in delo na hi kan tok reng tila kan sei so lo love he research hi khopung le zor sei khuate kalpui ani ya chung ko som ve to ni in questionnaire manga interview nei ani chung tin te karen den chemna konga malak nan nei le nei lote engtin nge man lak ti le jana karen nan driver thinem ti te zon ni an interview chana te la khom ni in chung tin te karen man dal zat le asum an choi zat te khakin le ani he research ina athil tum te chu chung ko tam jok te hian karen den chemna cha gar ria em engtin nge man lak ti zon chua chung tin te karen den chemna konga malak nan nei le nei lote eng electric bulb tengen man ti le jana karen nan driver thinem ti te zon ni he kan research atanga kan result mo chhuate na tarlan angin karen den chemna sustainability hi chung ko tam jok ne na kan riat alangai hle a energy he chi bungro man lo kan zirti tamangai hle bok energy he chi bungro man kan man wanga energy kalral tamzia le sumlon ral tamzia ole zola kan irsil angai bok tin street light tam theyang ber abi kin solar mang fit tam apoi mo hle bokani alo me
tuimal far te chu chawat shang omkhom tuipui liana klinin ramnuam alom. A very good afternoon to the judges, teachers, and fellow participants. My name is Wendila Peklui, and this is my partner, Emmanuel Zotanpuya. And today we're here to present to you our research and project on simple innovation to save water in Aizawl. Now, starting off with the introduction, there's a very important question that must be asked, which is, what is water wastage and what is the main cause? Water wastage is the unnecessary usage of water at the wrong times. And the main cause of water wastage is what we sought out to answer as we conducted multiple surveys in the name of our project. And before we get into the main part of our presentation, I would like to talk about the hypothesis and the objectives. For our hypothesis states that if households in Aizawl adopt a simple innovation to save water, then water wastage will be reduced significantly. And our objective states that, number one, we wanted to collect data on the main source of water wastage, and we wanted to study the awareness and the willingness of the people to adopt a simple innovation to save water. And lastly, with all of this data that we have collected, we wanted to create a device or design a device that could save water. We can conclude that water wastage is a major everyday problem in Aizo, and that we have to work together to fight the problem and to prevent less water wastage. And for our future scope, we would like to donate this finished version when we finish the innovation to our school so that we can save water as a whole. And we would also like to present our presentation in our local and school newspaper. And lastly, we would also like to add additional add-ons like special features to our innovation. And I would like to talk upon the poem that I quoted at the beginning of the presentation. Even a single drop of water can amount to an ocean. So let us all work together to have clean and fresh water like Fiara, the Mizo historical figure known for having clean and fresh water. Thank you.
Dear judges and my fellow students, my name is Rutila Ramdintari and my partner's name is Lalaram Rati. Ama saber tuan in zavain si baivek ule, kaming tu Rutila Ramdintari ani a, kachanu hi Lalaram Rati ani. Tenzola janga local kan ni a, Don Bosco School Tenzola class 9 zirlai kan ni. Voinya kan project room present tour hi, epidemiology of scrap typhus in Tenzola ni. Ama saber tuan scrap typhus su enge ni kan en masapot nga, scrap typhus hi nanda ingkai chonte. Orientia susugo machine nanda shik na to ani a. Tu shik Orientia susugo machine na shikai tenan si achanga in kai chonchinani. Tu shik te hi borak lumle wa paten do emma chumai ba ka chuan saju bakle kanran voltenan pudar chinia shatani. Early diagnosis and treatment. Mi puiten symptoms an lo shat chian phut chuan ai ma in en kol dan an lo she theidona hei apoi mo em bokani. Ti chuan conclusion a luta ila kan zir changa langta chu scrap typhus hi kan ni tin thil ti kan ram na thote khoi muna changpon kan kai theya kan ran vula changte pon ti chuan disease te he scrap typhus hi awareness tamjok nei ta ila mi puite shil shes ai zau zokin mi puite shil shat ta ila scrap typhus na hi adar zeu tur kan veng theidon ani ato ber tan son ki man hi kan poimo emma mani in enkol dan mi puite kan zirtir ai na sa kan zirtir the chuan scrap typhus hi kan dang don emma ti chuan scrap typhus Tenzol mai nilo Mizoram pu mai han na dar zau zela nan na thi pui the ni awangin en san mai chi nilwa hei ai na sa han mala ngai ni in kan shani kalome
mi ben ken mo sa veng here hey to na tu khol kal le ka zir hin pe lo lu to ka bai thak kun mai in thiam da ta ngai the lu to ka le fen su tan dong ni o kan sir tan o chu bang ni tu so ka ro man na ma ka so ti la ni tu pol tang so te ngai ti ha lo ni ya school lu tak tak tur le an zila te nom ti ta zir thei tur buat sai ma sak tur ni ya hemi mangyen in zir lai chu lo buat sai ma sa to ro wo
National Education Policy NEP 2020 na nga ipoimo zirna kailon bu hi class 1 zirlai no pang tibuat sa ina ania zirlai ten nuam ti takle tlangnel taka skulan lu theinan le an zirlai te omzia shi thiam chunga an zir theina tura tana duan chwa ani sikul no pang te chu school an lu tir atanga thlathum chung ni tin darkar li tal an zir tir tu ten hele khabua activity te hi anti pui chin tur ani a sarkar thu chuak angin primary school zonga government le private school ate mana kalpui vector ani e no pangten nuam ti taka school an lua a omzia che thiam chunga an zir lai te an zir theinan zirna kailon bu ingai poimo chewang o
Chibai vekule government side to high school class 9 zirlai kan nia kamhing chu lom sang zola khiang te nia ka partner hi Mizoram chani ani voina kan topic tur chu a study on stray cat population and perception towards their welfare in Saitwal town area ania health society and mental well-being hi kan sub theme ani objective pakhana study area chunga stray cat tomza chin chia le zir panhina stray cat chungchanga public ngai dan zir chian pathumna stray cat population control dan tur chungchanga mi pui ngai dan zir chian study area hi Saitwal le ke fang ania hen kho panhi hi VC area paruk Saitwal VC1 Saitwal venglai Saitwal VC3 ke fang leitan ke fang venglun le ke fang venglai area te anni methodology kan method man te chu pakhat na survey questionnaire kan questionnaire man hi closed type ania zona som pali a keimani develop nilovin dhirubhai ambani international school Mumbai India le All India Institute of Medical Science New Delhi research arten an CM sa animal expert ten an validate sakto sa kan mangani questionnaire te hi VC area tina chung ko chengza ta tanga 30% theu kan lak nuwa ina kan kalchila an permission kan la a science project ania an personal information te chu confidentialing kan vongdon ti te kan shilfia nuwa Mizoram le linsa zo na kan zot hlom ani
Khutlang shoi tu ten straight te hi an pungzel tu vena na sterilization program bua sai ni se ti a hian mi zali somthum pali nan pompui bok ani conclusion straight te hi kon community a chuan thil common tak anita a questionnaire chang tu tam jok ten an laka positive attitude chan nei nge ni in alang Saitwa district hospital record ta landanin sangni somni pali October changa sangni somni panga September thlasong pathum chung khan get bite incident hi somni pathum record ani questionnaire chang tu tam jok ti han straight te hi ning vyama se ran sanun na nei ani angin an ma ni right san nei ni in an nga ya chuti rural ero chuan an population control na turwa man na siam ero cha an ti hle thung ani recommendation pakhat na Sarkar thunei tu ten community based sterilization program chatak bua se ni se pani na straight to pek vaccine lak le vitia shwai chung changa public awareness ni se pathumna local authorities veti lampang tele animal welfare groups ne na tho ho dan zone palina inti palle inhliam pala in kol dan zirtir na in pek pangana straight the din hun she chang tura regular taka survey nei future plans saitwa le achevela straight the din hun she chang tur hian neighboring village a survey la nei chunjom zel kantuma kan survey result te hila compare le zel kantum bok ani kan lome
Hola. Today we represent PS Kozol Vengthar Pastorate. Our focal theme for Children's Science Congress 2025 is Science for Sustainable Development and Community Well-being. And the title of our project is Impact of African Swine Fever, ASF on piggeries farmer of Kozol, Mizoram, under Sub-Theme 1, Agriculture, Climate, and Rural Livelihood. Firstly, what is ASF? African swine fever, ASF, is a deadly viral disease of pigs caused by ASF virus and spread through contact with infected pigs, feet, or equipment. There is no cure or vaccine yet till today. Secondly, let's see our ancient objectives. To find out how ASF has affects big number and household income of affected families in Kozol, to find out how many pigs farmer had become the outbreak and how many survive after, to calculate the mortality rate, to suggest simple, community-friendly steps to reduce future outbreaks. Why do we need to study this project? Because ASF is killing many pigs in Kozol, badly affecting farmers' income and the local economy. Since many families depend on piggery, ASF impact livelihood, food supply, and community life, making it an important problem to study. Now, let's talk about solution to the problem. Culling must be done by trained veterinary staff to prevent ASF from spreading to other pigs and farms. Farmers should disinfect pig sties regularly, avoid feeding pigs with leftover food, and limit visitors to farms. Build pig sties with bricks for the walls and cement for the flooring. Our future plans are to organize regular workshop and village meeting to educate farmers about ASF prevention, biosecurity, to encourage government and scientific institutions to continue research on ASF vaccine, and provide updates to farmers. On 4th October 2025, an awareness campaign on ASF prevention and biosecurity was held in Vengthar and electric localities for following our future plans. That's all we can present for today. Thank you.
Ithin lai lo zo tur ka khilang cheo zirna tluang pa ngai pialama zirlai te izon na kong sial tu skill education chu high school za somli panga ale higher secondary school somni pahniate kalpuya nita
Skill education hian thlonin sector shang agriculture, apparel makeups and home furnishing, automotive, beauty and wellness le IT and ITS zirna te hi kalpui me kani skill education in a tumber chu zirlai te an zirlai zir chung na thokla ka cherchwa intodel na le izon na ngel nget zon na kong ko mute ani
zirlai te ma khwa siam sak tu tan le zirlai te izon na tha an nei theinan a thona zir the skill education hi lo zir ve nge yang che ei zon na lam tluang thiam thil zirna skill education Mizoram tan.
Respected guide teachers and my fellow students, my name is Sila Remliana and my partner is Aislel Ming Manpuya. We are from Government Pangzol High School and we are studying in class 9. The title of our project is Study of Cultivability of Garden in Ramricon Pangzol, Focal Theme, Science for Sustainable Development and Community Well-being, Sub-Theme, Agriculture, Climate and Rural Livelihood. Location of our project is Ramricon Pangzol, Nathial District, and our main objective are, number 1, to find different parameters of soil cultivability, pH, temperature, and moisture of the soils of garden in Ramricon Pangzol area. Number 2, to draw result on the cultivability of garden in Ramricon Pangzol area. For number 3, to aware the cultivabilities of garden in Ramricon Pangzol, to aware the cultivabilities of garden to each household. Need and importance of our project. As we know that Mizoram is hilly area, and according to Census 2011, 47.89% live in rural area. In rural area, each household has a garden around their house. Among 100 households in Ramricon Pangzol, only 27 households use their garden for growing vegetables. Awareness needed to be made on cultivability of garden and its impact on well-being and economy. Moving on research methodology. The spot survey is carried out and the soil testing is done with soil tester and the following readings are recorded. Number 1, whether garden is cultivated or not. Number 2, pH of the soil. Number 3, temperature of the soil. Number 4, moisture content of the soil. The data collected are analyzed to draw the result. From the result of analysis, we can conclude our project like this. Number 1, rate of uses of garden in Ramricon Pangzol is very low. Number 2, pH of the soils of garden falls under suitable conditions for growing vegetables. Number 3, soil temperatures of gardens are fitting for gardening. Number 4, the moisture contents of gardens are adequate. Number 5, gardens in Ramricon Pangzol are cultivable. Solution to the problem. We prepare awareness leaflet and distributed to each and every household in Ramricon. And we also publish it on different WhatsApp group in Pangzol area. If you want to check our awareness leaflet, we attach it on page number 11 in our project book and in logbook. And the leaflet contains aims of our research findings, need and importance of growing vegetables in garden near our house, how to make soil fertile, desirable range of pH for common vegetables. That is for our presentation. Thank you.